What's up everyone, this video is about how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive using one of the simplest and fastest methods available, using Rufus software. You can download it from this website, link will be given in the description. After having downloaded the software, run it, and in device select your USB drive. All data on it will be lost. Then, click select and navigate to your Windows 10 ISO image. Open. Then, in image option, you shouldn't change anything if you want to install Windows from it. But if you want to run Windows from your USB drive, select Windows to go. In partition scheme, select GPT if you install your Windows on UEFI system, and MBR if you install it on BIOS or legacy system. I will select GPT. Then, you may change the volume label, for example Windows 10, and change file system from FAT32 to NTFS. Yes, it will work on GPT system as well. And the last thing, just click Start, confirm that all data on your USB drive will be lost, and your USB bootable device will be ready in a couple of minutes. That's it. Good luck.